I'm Maddison Orquiz. And I'm Swellen Gibbs-Huerta. And we are two interns with the Fish and Wildlife Service and the Student Conservation Association. We're both environmental science majors, and we're both part of class 2024. Our role in Pollinators and what we do at UTSA is we are in the process of getting UTSA certified as a bee campus. And so what that is it's a program under the Xerces Society for Invertebrate Conservation. And what we are doing is they have a program called Bee Campus, Bee City, USA. And what it is you are championing for native bees. So we are trying to raise awareness about how important native bees are, and what we are doing is meeting certain requirements that are through the program to have UTSA certified as a bee campus and really just be a safe space for native bees and try to help their numbers and their population grow. So what we've been doing is we've actually been going around and mapping all of the pollinator habitat on campus that is already established, whether it's naturally occurring or whether it's something that was manipulated by facilities. And UTSA is actually already doing a lot for pollinators. There's a lot of pollinator habitat already existing on campus. And one of them is the pollinator garden. So what we wanted to do was restore it back to its former glory, maybe make it better, and really just bring back this beautiful space.
So what makes our internship unique is that this is the first time that U.S. Fish and Wildlife is partnering with the Xerces Societies to champion for native bees. Our internship is also a pilot study, so we're the first two interns to work with the SCA, the Xerces Society, and U.S. Fish and Wildlife all together.
I'm Janice Bush. I'm a professor of plant ecology and the interim chair of the Department of Integrative Biology. Several years ago, I received a grant from the state of Texas to study monarch butterflies and milkweed, their food source. From this, a relationship between UTSA and U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service was formed. This relationship has continued to grow, and our students are having lots of opportunities to work with professionals from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Particularly, they're interested in pollinators and pollinator conservation. My role in the project is to be a mentor to the students, but also to serve as a liaison between UTSA and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. It's really important for our students to have these kinds of opportunities for a lot of different reasons. They get to apply what they're learning in the classroom. They get to work side by side with professionals from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and in real-world situations. And they get to network with professionals in their potential field, which will help them when they enter the job market.
I've already gained a lot of skills through this internship. Specifically, I've learned a lot more about native plants and native bees and the way they interact with native plants in Texas. I've also learned how to communicate better, and I know in my future career I'm going to be set up to navigate different difficult situations.
I feel like I've learned a lot of the same things, but I feel like I've also learned how to be adaptable. A lot of times our plans fall through, or things that we had set for fall through, and so learning how to be adaptable, how to think on your feet really quickly. I feel like my time at UTSA has really helped me with that, and it has helped me in this internship as well. So I feel like this has really helped me to be better prepared, not just for career, but for life.